Gago!
Kayang-kaya pala. Galing ah. Ah. Hindi na ulan!
Yung
Hindi na
microphone!
ulan! Sayang!
Hanga pa naman ako sa'yo!
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Adik!
局长，我们必须要照顾他。这里不安静，我们得马上离开。
Kap, saan ka natutulog? Sa kwarto o sa egg tray?
Eto na ang ating sinangag na lupa. Sheesh! Napakaangas! Eh!
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Adik!
Lang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Adik!
Init kung naiinitan, mag-electric fan nang umiikot ay yung katawan, porselanang arinol.
Binuntis mo ako, pero iba ang pinakasalan mo.
Pananagutan kita, pero kahit kailan, hindi kita pwedeng ibigin!
Oo, aminin ko, mahal kita. Nang dahil sa salapi mo.
At nang dahil sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo, handa akong pumatay at mamatay!
Katawan ko lang ang minahal mo, at hindi ang pagkatao ko. Mr. Romantiko.
Kumusta po kayong lahat, mga giliw naming tagapakinig? Inaanyayahan ko po kayong pakinggan ang pagsasadula ng mga liham kasaysayan.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Adik!
Gago!
Ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal. Ngunit
Huy, putang ina mo,
Maalaala mo kaya ang sumpa mo sa akin na ang pag-ibig mo ay sadyang di magmamahal.
utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Adik!
At eto na ang ating online paaraw. Sheesh! Napakaangas! Eh!
Gago!
2 beses na yan! Unang-una, pinagtanggol kita sa lahat ng tropa, ha? Kahit takpan mo pa yung mukha mo, ha? Ilalabas ko to dahil isa kang gago! Dito ka pa nakatira sa bahay ko? Pinapatira kita, tinuring kitang kaibigan, tol. Ha? Kahit anong sabihin mo, tol, I don't know what the fuck you did.
Staff namin! Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Yes! No! Adik!
Alam mo, hindi ako makain ng itlog, meat, fish, dairy, and gluten. And allergic ako sa nuts, so ano pwede kong orderin? Order ka ng taxi or grab, tapos umalis ka na dito.
Gago!
Fan ka rin ng GSW?
Since 2016.
Lakas nila no.
Siyempre na meron.
Malakas din yung isa nilang player si Sheen Estevez.
Yay! Favorite din siya ng kuya ko.
Kaso di siya nakalaro na ngayon kasi injured.
Kaya nga sayang huho.
Lakas yun, Sheen Estevez.
Siyempre GSW yan.
Gago! Gago!
Mabibigyan na ng 10,000 piso ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit! Yo! Adik!
Oh, they got a TV. Get right here and do a quick spin on Pat Draw. So how much money? Yes, I just won $599 on Pat Draw. Yes. So we gotta get a TV, I guess. $278. $278. So we gotta get this. We got a TV. It's free TV, man. Hey, don't try this at home.
Utang na mo! Hayop ka! Busit ka! Shit! Yo! Adik!
Little gold candy bar.
Looking to sell these gold bars. I don't know what we can get for them, but
Wow, that smells like freshly spray painted.
well, the guy I picked them up from said they're gold plated. I paid $1,000 per bar for them. What does that do?
That's just a magnet.
What does it pick up on the backside of them? Maybe.
It won't. It won't. It's spray paint, man. It's chocolate there. I smell the chocolate and spray paint. We'll have that guy take a second look. The guy with the long hair.
Rain Beck can help with this. 16, we're gonna hit that. 20, we're gonna stand. There we go. I paid $1,000 for them both.
They're just spray painted, dude.
He told me that they were gold plated, not fully gold.
Dude, this guy just spray painted some candy bars.
So you won't be able to do anything for them?
What can I do with them? What are they worth? You can buy a Kit Kat bar for what, $1?
Yeah, I'll do $1.
I would go back to whoever sold those to you and break his kneecaps.
Okay, I will do that. Well, sorry about that.
Gago!
Quick spin on pack draw before we get the meal. Hello. We just came for the hantavirus meal.
For
The new meal?
Yeah, outside.
The hantavirus?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's this one right here. It's the new hantavirus meal at McDonald's. Yeah, I heard about it on TikTok too.
Are you guys sold out?
No, it's not started.
It's $11.99.
Oh, it's not out yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh shit.
Oh, it's coming soon?
Coming soon, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, then we'll come back.
Yeah, maybe like in a couple days, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Putang ina! Putang ina mo!
2风中，一阴一阳之味道，仔细东来。